Hey there, puppers. Lynn here, just for the health of it. And yeah, it's been a minute, hasn't it? Well, it's been a bit of a chaotic year. After I lost Freya, it was a struggle to be out in the garden this year for sure. I really missed her. And then some of that kind of made me miss my mom, and I just felt like it was a bit of a rough year. But a lot has changed and a lot has happened, and we are coming up on Christmas, so I kind of wanted to at least get a Merry Christmas and Happy Holidays out to everybody. Let y'all know I am here, I am healthy, I am generally happy, and yeah, so we got my mom's famous orange cookies going. I gotta get those iced. We have Grandma Rosie's famous refrigerator icebox cookies is what they call them. Yeah, so making a mess, doing some crafts, doing some baking, and just having fun getting ready for the holidays. Gavion says, Merry Christmas, everybody. I'm a big girl. I'm a big crazy girl. Yeah, those are good, aren't they? Hi. Hi, happy boy. All right. I'm gonna get back to this mess. Hey. Merry Christmas. All right, poppers. Well, I'm gonna get some of this stuff wrapped up by today's Sunday, and Christmas Eve, which is when we do our family dinner, is on Tuesday. So I don't have much time to get some baking done, to get some sewing done, and to get everything all wrapped up. So hopefully you are finding some hobbies and interests just for your health of it. We'll see you in the next one. Bye.